Magnesium plays a crucial role in testosterone regulation. It enhances the bioavailability of testosterone by binding to sex hormone-binding globulin, allowing more free testosterone to circulate. Additionally, magnesium reduces oxidative stress, which can otherwise impair testosterone production. Ensuring adequate magnesium intake is essential for maintaining optimal testosterone levels and overall hormonal balance. Fatigue and declining strength might not stem from hormones, but from a lack of magnesium. This essential mineral, often overlooked, is crucial for testosterone production and utilization. Without adequate magnesium, your body struggles to maintain optimal testosterone levels, impacting energy and mood. Understanding its role is key to naturally enhancing your vitality. Clinical studies, like the 2011 research, highlight its impact on both athletes and sedentary men. For optimal results, consider magnesium citrate or glycinate, taken in the evening to enhance absorption and effectiveness. A 2011 study demonstrated that magnesium supplementation increased total testosterone by 10% and free testosterone by 24% in men who exercise regularly. This occurs because magnesium reduces sex hormone-binding globulin activity, allowing more free testosterone to circulate in the bloodstream, enhancing hormonal balance and vitality. Magnesium acts as a key to unlock testosterone, hindered by chronic stress, lack of sleep, and mineral deficiency. Unlike stimulants or medicines, it naturally enhances hormonal balance, allowing your body to utilize existing testosterone effectively. Addressing these barriers can significantly improve hormonal health and overall well-being. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions vital for hormonal health. It aids hormone synthesis by converting cholesterol into testosterone, regulates the nervous system to reduce anxiety, and protects cells from oxidative stress. Low magnesium levels can hinder hormone response, causing fatigue and irritability despite normal testosterone levels. To restore hormonal balance, incorporate 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium daily, preferably in citrate or glycinate form for high bioavailability. Take it in the evening to reduce cortisol and enhance sleep quality, promoting testosterone release. Pair with regular exercise and at least 7 hours of deep sleep for noticeable improvements in 8 weeks. Magnesium is crucial for male hormonal health, serving as the foundation for testosterone synthesis. Without adequate magnesium, enzymes essential for testosterone production cannot function. Correcting magnesium deficiency allows your body to naturally enhance strength and energy, supporting overall well-being.